components working together to cool the air inside your vehicle. First, we will see the locations of all components and after that their functions. The first one is the compressor. It is mounted on the engine block, usually at the front of the engine block, or mounted on brackets attached to the engine, near the radiator and condenser. Condenser coil, located in front of the vehicle's radiator, near the front grille. Receiver dryer, located between the condenser and the expansion valve, often near the condenser. Expansion valve, typically located near the firewall, close to where the refrigerant lines enter the cabin. Evaporator coil, inside the vehicle's cabin,